Alright, just wanted to show you the balt iTeach mobile floor stand. This is a really popular stand, and I just want to give you an idea what it's all about. Right here we have a Hitachi Trio 77 board attached to it, so you'll be able to see what it all looks like set up. Here's where your projector would go, right there. Arm swings out of the way when not in use. This will let you roll it through doorways. So, as you can see down here, we got a nice wide, real heavy-duty base, some heavy-duty casters. So this is going to keep it nice and stable. You'll be able to roll it around. It is still big, but you'll be able to roll it around pretty good wherever you need to go. Just going to take a little look around the back side here. If you look here, this is a universal system, so you can put most boards on it. Not every board, but most of them. And please give us a call or send us an email. We'll tell you whether or not your board will fit. You have these pieces here. They're just going to go over the top as well as the bottom of the board. You bolt them onto here. You're adjustable for height up here and at the bottom. And the piece they attach to can adjust side to side. So you can clear the centerpiece on this Hitachi. You can clear pen trays on smart boards or other brands of boards that have pen trays on them. Now back to the floor stand itself. This is electric height adjustment. So you got this little remote here. It goes up or down. As you can see, it's picking up the piece that the board is attached to. And the projector mount is at the top of that, so it's all moving up together. The space between the board and the projector is never going to change. So you just hit a button, goes back down. Got a good amount of adjustment in there. So this will help too if you wanted to go through a doorway. You can lower it, fold the arm in, and now you can fit through the doorway. You have manual height adjustment for the projector, because the projector where it is, it's not going to work right there. It needs to be higher up. So you just crank this, and this whole assembly at the top is now moving up. Get it to where you need it to go. You can bring it back down if you need to roll through a doorway or anything like that. You have a shelf over here. This could be used for just putting stuff on. If maybe you have a small printer you want to put there. Down here, you have enough room to put a desktop computer tower. So what's really nice about this stand is that it can be a complete mobile solution. You could have a dedicated computer on there, or you can put a laptop on here, and that way you literally roll it into the room, plug in the board, and you're ready to go. There's an optional power strip that mounts inside the base of the stand over here. I highly recommend this option. It's going to mount inside the base of the stand, and it gives you three electrical outlets here. Reason I recommend this is you got a projector up top that needs power. The board needs power to operate the height adjustment. That's 2 plugs right there. Chances are your projector power cord isn't going to be long enough to reach the wall. You just drop that down, plug it in here. You plug the stand into here, and then you still got an open plug for a laptop or desktop computer if you choose to have one on here. So then basically you have your 1 power cord, which is pretty long, and you could just roll this into whatever room you're planning to use it in. You plug in that 1 power cord, and you're all set. We'll just take a walk over to this side real quick. Again, this is the projector arm. They sell different sizes for different projectors, so we can tell you which one you'll need based on the projector. This is telescopic. It will slide out as well as slide back in, and you can swing it out and around, so you can put it wherever you want it. You need to keep it straight ahead when you're actually using the board, but this way it folds up out of the way. If you're just leaving for the day, or if you're moving the stand, you can lock it in place so it won't swing back out again. Then if you come over here real quick, this here is the optional laptop shelf. It is an option. It does not come standard with it, but it's big enough to put a laptop on. You could run a cable through it, so you run it right through there to that shelf in the back and up to your projector, and it's plug in for your video cable. You can also run your power cord for the laptop through there as well. It bolts to the base over there, and there are many holes drilled in the length of this piece here, so you can move it further out or further in depending on the size of your board. And that's it. That's the iTeach.